Let's customize our color combo. We are going to put 3 braids, that is Pebble, 613, and number 1B. I've never seen this color called Pebble. Anyway, as you continue doing hair, you meet so much. So as we start this hair, we're going to start with the 2 colors first, that is Pebble and 613. This is her natural hair. She had dye, but she's trying to let the dry go, and therefore she's trying to keep her natural hair. She has very beautiful hair, and the only thing is that she has the silver hair at the gray hair that are starting to come out at the bottom. So I tried to do the 2 colors first to see what I'll get, and I noticed that the color was not matching so well. So this is the color of her hair, therefore I had to put in some black. What I did is that I took 1 piece of Pebble color, 1 piece of 613, but I took half of the black hair because black is so strong, and you can see now it's matching with her hair color. When you're braiding down, it's not easy to tell which one is her hair and which one is the braid. So I think I loved this one more than when I started, but as I'll be braiding down, you'll notice that there is a part that I'll be able to select only use 2 colors, and that's because her gray hair is more strong on the middle upper part of it. So we are going to braid all the way down, and then in the middle you can see how beautiful the hair looks like. I love the color because it matches her natural hair. So here I had to use only 2 colors with the no black, and this is because that part was a bit more brighter, like the gray hair is more strong there. And therefore what I did is that I tried to use only 1 color and tried to hide. As you braid down, you also try to hide the natural hair so that it's not so much visible when it comes to braiding. So you can see how the hair is looking like. Yeah, look at that one. It's not easy to tell. Yeah, you can still see the black popping, but it's not so easy to tell where her natural hair, because it was more blending with her natural hair. So now for people who braid, I don't know, I'm the kind of a person who braid halfway and then I'll finish when I'm sitting down. And please make sure that you put on compression socks. I noticed that they help so much when you stand for so long. And therefore this is now the final look. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to dip them in the hot water. She wanted her hair to be finished at the end. She didn't want the curls. That's what we're trying to do, just doing the final touches, and that is the great hair looking.